Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and log into your Turnitin student account, as well as submit your assignment. First, open your web browser and go to turnitin.com. Make sure the URL is correct before continuing. Next, click Login in the upper right corner. Scroll down, you can see New User, and click here. On the account page, pick Student to open the Create a New Student Profile form. Scroll down, enter the class ID and enrollment key that provided by your teacher. Next, enter your first and last name. Then, enter an email address and confirmed, and password. Continue, choose a question and answer it. Finally, tick the box, click I agree, and you'll get a verification email. Please verify your account from your email before logging in. Next, I will show you how to log in the Turnitin account. Open the website, enter your email address and password, then click on Login. However, how to enroll a class? After logging in, you will see your class listed on your dashboard. Click Enroll in a class and enter the class ID and enrollment key. Click Submit button. You will see your enrolled class. Now you can begin to submit your assignment. Click your class name to open the class page. Click Open to access the submission window. Scroll down to find the Submit section, then click Browse Files to upload your assignment file. After uploading, type your submission title. You can follow your instructor's instructions or use your chosen title. Then click Upload and Preview, and wait for the file upload to complete. And click Submit. Once it's ready, after a short moment, you'll see a message confirming that your file has been successfully uploaded. Please reload this page, scroll down. Finally, you can see your similarity index, and click it. It will turn to Result page. Click Download in the upper right corner. Click the Similarity Report to download and get your report. After that, send your report and assignment to your teacher.